Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to be discussing closing your pay periods. To close your pay period, we're going to go to Payroll Functions and Close Pay Period. I click on Close Pay Period and I can see the pay periods that I currently have open. Now, when you close these pay periods is up to you. One of the things that can affect when you close a pay period would be your PTO accruals. If you have PTO accruals in the system and they accrue based on the number of hours worked in a pay period or X amount per pay period, then you need to close these regularly, because closing them is what calculates the hours and updates the employee's PTO banks. Now, if you're not using PTO accruals, or maybe your accruals are annually, monthly, something like that, we still need to close these pay periods. Leaving the pay periods open for a while can cause the system to be slow when you're adding punches or transactions to a time card. So in this case, I've got 4 weekly pay periods open. I've got a monthly and then 4 bi-weekly. So these are 3 different pay periods. There might be salary, temp employees, and then maybe hourly employees or something like that for my reasoning behind 3 pay periods. Most clients are only going to have 1 pay period, maybe 2 if they use another one for salary or temps, but typically 1 pay period. 3 pay periods left open is fine. I would close anything over that each time I come in to process my payroll. I would close the oldest pay period, and then I would move on and do my export or my reports or anything else I needed to complete my payroll. But that's a perfect time to come in and close your pay period, is before you start doing your payroll. When you close a pay period, you will no longer be able to go in and edit, add, or modify anything from that pay period. So make sure that it's good before you close it. Once closed, it's a picture, a snapshot in time, if you will, that you can go back and look at in the employee's timesheet. You can run reports on, but you will no longer be able to add or remove anything from it. Thank you for watching.